Hey guys, on today's video we're going to reset your iPhone to factory settings. So let's just go right into our settings. Under settings we're going to scroll all the way until we see general. Under general, scroll all the way down. You're going to see reset. Under reset, what we want is to delete absolutely everything. So what we want to do is erase all contents and settings. Not just settings, but everything. This will get rid of pictures, any information inside your phone, and bring it back to factory settings. So let's just put in our passcode. Once we do that, we're gonna see this. And on the bottom, let's just do erase iPhone. Erase iPhone again. And it's gonna delete everything from within it. So this is 100% normal. This is exactly what's supposed to happen. You're gonna see an Apple logo, loading bar, and the process is actually gonna be pretty fast. What we should see after this is a screen that tells us hello, bonjour, and then we can set it up again. If you don't want to set it up again, we can just force shut down the phone or set it up again. So if you're watching this video because you're planning to sell your phone, just make sure to set it up. And you can set it up without using an Apple ID or transferring any information. So don't worry about that. You can do that. And I highly suggest doing that, especially if you're going to sell it. So that way the person who's going to buy it from you can go ahead and test out the phone without setting up the iPhone themselves at that point in time. So after about maybe 2 minutes, you're going to see this screen as mentioned. We can just swipe up and keep going with the setup. I do have a video showing you how to set it up without using an Apple ID or even putting your SIM card, because you do have to take out your SIM card in order to sell it. But anyways, that would be it for this video. Right now, most of you will want to just shut it down. So just press these two keys. So that's on this side plus your volume. Just press on it and shut down. And that's it. You're done with your phone. Remember that I do have a video showing how to set it up without an Apple ID or even putting in your SIM card. So make sure to check that out if that's the reason why you're watching this. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.